Hello friends, today in this video I will be showing you the hidden tips and tricks and the features of this Redmi 7 after the Miui version 12 update. And I have already made a video on a short review of the Miui 12 update on Redmi 7A. So today in this video I'll be doing full review, so watch the video till the end. The setting is that new control center here. In my first video you might have noticed that the control center was different, so it was hidden. I found it, so today in this video I'll be showing you how to enable this. So go to the settings first, go to settings, then next type control center. So here use new control center, tap here, then scroll down and tap here use new control center, enable it. So the control center will be like this. So that's quite amazing, looks like an iPhone. So this is one hidden trick. If you want to zoom anywhere like I'm doing, so if you like this, you just have to tap 3 times continuously on the display to magnify. So to enable this, it is also a hidden feature. To enable this, go to settings, go to settings, then go to additional settings, accessibility, then go to vision, go to magnification on, and turn on this magnify with triple tap. Turn on this and you can magnify anywhere. So this is one hidden feature I found out. The next feature, when I tap on a home button, there is an animation in the setting app. Let me show you. There is an animation. So if you don't like this kind of animation, which is full on the Miui version 12, if you don't like, you can disable this. So just simply go to settings, go to additional settings, next go to accessibility, tap on a vision, next scroll down and come to the remove animation. So turn on this and you will not see any kind of animation. No animation is there. So if you don't like this kind of animation, you can disable this. Next feature is on the security. Go to settings, then tap on the password and security. So here is face unlock, draw the lock, and here I have added 2 face data here, face 1 and face 2. So this is one interesting feature. You can set face data of 2 persons. So this is an amazing feature I found out on this device after Miui version 12. Amazing feature is on the about phone section. Suppose I tap here and here is storage 19.1 GB out of 32 GB is occupied. So if there is an animation, suppose if I make like this, so this is moving, this kind of animation. Again, suppose I tap on the storage, here it shows different colors with different files. Like here is the video with 2.7 GB, 07 GB. So it says this yellow color is the file name video. It has this much size of files. So this is an amazing feature. Ultra battery saver. It is a battery saver that reduces the usage of battery, and by enabling this you can use your phone a longer duration of time. And the battery percentage is 72 here. So 72, the battery percent is 72, and here you can select some apps, and the brightness is also reduced. So let me increase right now. So here you can select some of the apps. It allows you to select 9 apps which you want to use, and suppose you are in a jungle, you can use them and get benefits of it by using you can use your device for a longer duration of time. So this is an amazing feature. To go out from this, just simply tap on the at the right corner here. So it says here turning off ultra battery saver. So to go out from this you can tap. And guys, one thing I noticed, to go out to the control center after using the new control center, we have to swipe on the right side, and if we swipe on the left side we will see all the notifications like this. So to go to control center we have to swipe on the right side. So this is an feature. So guys, these were the hidden tips and tricks and also the features of this Redmi 7A after the Miui version 12 update. And this was the video. How was the video? Do let me know in the comment section below. And like the video if you liked it, and share it with your friends, those who are using Redmi devices, and especially Redmi 7A. And do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about the videos that I upload regularly on my YouTube channel. So guys, thanks for watching.